to be working with manzanitas and pine nuts. So I gave you guys a little bit manzanitas and pine nuts. You know, we wish we could get you a little bit more materials, but hopefully this is enough for you guys to do your bracelets and your earrings and maybe just get familiar with it. This is like part of what we do. We also have our own little business. So she does jewelry, more of like the jewelry, and I do more of like the gourd, photography, and wood burning. So yeah, so we're gonna show you guys a little what we do.
You guys each have your colors. So the earrings, I pre-cut your guys' little strings. It should fit if you double, you know, when you actually I'm gonna start passing those out for the earrings because you guys are gonna need that.
You want scissors to open it?
Oh no, I think it's already open.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so yeah, so then I'm gonna be helping you guys out with the bracelets,
yeah, and they're
and then my wife is gonna be the one that if you need any help with the earrings. So inside of each of your guys' things, you're gonna see, if you guys want to look through, there's a manzanita that has a casing on it still, and you guys can
all
see
together, yeah.
That you guys can see that's how we harvest them first. So like feel free, that's the outer layer.
Start to peel it.
Once you guys start peeling it, and then you guys get to see the actual manzanita underneath it. I was gonna bring some dog bane today also, which we use a lot for the cordage. So a dog bane is like goes right by the water, right? Like right by the water. And what would I say, like a little stick type? Yeah, like a hemp. So like the thing is, it's just the fibers are from the bark. So we get the fibers and we break them up. So what I'm gonna do with the bracelets is just because I'm looking at some of the beads and the holes are a little small. So what I'm gonna do is split the sinew so we can do put it through. I made the holes big enough for the manzanitas for it to go through. But the thing is the other little beads, like the glass beads, they might be a little bit smaller, so we're just gonna split it.
They looked like they would fit perfectly fine.
So yes, we're gonna be walking around tables in. We're gonna make like, I call it like a little mini necklace. That's because of how I do the necklaces too. Is so we bring it in half like that. So you see that little loop on the top? Yeah. So I bring it like that. So you see that, like that little, so I can have like a little loop right here at the end on the top. And then I start twisting away. Like I said, it's your preference of how you want to do it. So like me, I kind of like the little look of the braid. So we have right here the little look. So you see that like that. So for me, I twist away, twist forward, twist away, like just maybe once or twice, and then twist once back. So I start doing this, right? So this way, this is the way I do it because it's easier for us to take it off and on. Because all we have to do is just untwist it and then put the bead through and then twist it again. Once I get to a point, like say like right here, or you can go further. I do a little knot right here so the beads won't run all the way down, out. So I can stop the beads. I do a little knot right there so they can stop. And then I start beading it. Either you can do cordage all the way down, or you could just leave it like this. That's fine. However you like, your guys' preference. Then once you get to a point where it's like, okay, you know what? I think I'm done with the beads. Then you can just do another knot so the beads can stay right in the middle. So like this right here. So now I did the knot right there. So you see the knot that I did right there. So then to put the manzanitas in, or however you guys are gonna do your pattern of your bracelet, you put it in and see how it stops. So then once we're all done, like once we're all done with the bracelet,
Atelawi otsele pa le hoshine tu pamile nakoyo tu paku tu momenene tu paku tu momenene tu paku tu momenene Atelawi otsele pa le hoshine tu pamile nakoyo tu paku tu momenene tu paku tu momenene tu paku tu momenene tu paku tu momenene